Hi, and welcome to our course on professional iOS development in Swift. My name is Timothy. I'm a self-employed iOS developer and the head teacher of the English Swift department at Room Academy. I'm going to be your instructor on your journey to becoming a professional Swift developer. This course is co-hosted by Joey, who is currently getting his master's degree in computer science. While he is usually mainly concerned with our German students, he is also going to help you in the Q&A section. We will teach you everything you need to know about the programming language Swift. We'll also show you how to get ready for a job as an iOS developer, whether it be starting your own business by freelancing or developing your own apps, which you can then publish to the App Store. First, we are going to cover everything in Swift in depth and show you how everything works and all you need to know about the language. We've done our best to make this theoretical part of the course as entertaining as possible by using logical examples and applications of the coding principles. Next, we're going to develop our first very own app, Simon Says, which will challenge the user's memory in a fun and simple way by memorizing color sequences. This app will also be updated further along the course. We are then going to lay the groundwork for our biggest app of the course, Foodie, by getting to know auto layout in detail and lots of other more complex functionalities. This is then followed by a few smaller apps which will cover important aspects of developing applications like implementing audio or multiplayer gaming. Speaking of gaming, we're then going to have a look at the SpriteKit framework and build our first real game, which will even include an in-app store in which the user can buy upgrades with coins he or she collected throughout the game. As the grand finale, we are going to take our Foodie groundwork and develop an awesome restaurant app, which will not only include amazing functionalities, but also great customized layout. In the next two lectures, we will briefly talk about some specific things concerning the use of this course, so you should watch them before starting the actual course.